The 2026 Lexus ES has arrived, and it is more than just a redesign. It is a complete transformation that brings the luxury sedan into the future. After years on the market and 2 minor facelifts, the outgoing model had started to show its age. Lexus took its time with the next generation, but the wait is paying off with a sharp-looking, tech-forward sedan that feels fresh and forward-thinking. The new ES made its global debut at Auto Shanghai, and it is clear that Lexus is stepping into a more daring design direction. Borrowing styling cues from the LFZL concept, this latest ES keeps things aggressive but modern. The oversized spindle grille is finally retired, replaced by a cleaner, more sculpted front end. A bold gloss black trim now runs along the doors, adding a sporty edge, though it may divide opinions. On the driver's side front fender, a charging port signals the addition of a fully electric version, offered alongside familiar hybrid options. Around the rear, the tail lamps have been completely reworked. Turn signals now sit inside the lower L-shaped elements, while reverse and fog lights are placed underneath. The traditional Lexus emblem has also been replaced by full-width Lexus lettering, another nod to modernity. Inside, Lexus has stripped away the clutter for a clean and high-tech look. There is a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14-inch infotainment screen as the centerpiece of the dashboard. Some trims offer an extra passenger side display, adding a layer of premium experience depending on the region. Physical buttons are minimal now. The gear lever is gone, swapped for a more compact shift selector. Touch-sensitive shortcut keys sit below the screen, along with a good old-fashioned volume knob for convenience. A panoramic glass roof can now dim electronically, and the rear cabin is equipped with massaging seats and its own climate panel in the center armrest. Lexus is clearly aiming at redefining what luxury means in this segment. One standout feature is the bamboo-colored interior, which adds a sense of uniqueness. The brand even used 3D printing on the dashboard to replicate the texture of bamboo. Ambient lighting is now elegantly integrated into the door panels, a first for Lexus. Under the hood, the ES comes with 2 hybrid powertrains based on 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter engines. The 2.0-liter hybrid makes 194 horsepower and is front-wheel drive only, but it will not be offered in the United States. The 2.5-liter ES350H delivers 244 horsepower and gives buyers a choice between front and all-wheel drive. Acceleration ranges from 9.4 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour for the base hybrid, down to 7.8 seconds for the more powerful variant. The electric ES enters the scene with 2 options: a front-wheel drive ES350 that makes 221 horsepower, and an all-wheel drive ES500 with a dual motor setup producing 338 horsepower. The ES350e has a CLTC rated range of 426 miles, but Lexus estimates that for the United States, it will realistically offer 300 miles per charge. The ES500e cuts the 0-62 sprint down to 5.9 seconds, but its range drops to 379 miles due to the added weight of the second motor. The ES now includes all-wheel steering for the first time, giving it more agility in the city and stability at higher speeds. A new multi-link rear suspension also enhances ride comfort. Built on the latest version of Toyota's TNGA GAK platform, the body structure is stiffer than before. Buyers can choose wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches, though larger wheels will affect electric range. Lexus based its official range numbers on 19-inch wheels. Although the model has now been revealed, it will not reach dealerships until mid-2026. Still, the 2026 Lexus ES is shaping up to be a major step forward for the brand. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any updates on the latest vehicles.